Hi, Cherry from Team UK Car Dealership. So today I'll show you Toyota Prius Plus double sunroof, very good condition. I'll quickly show you the exterior. There's a back fog light as well. This is the inside of the car. It's pretty warm up here. And this is to open the sunroof. Close the sunroof. In case if you want to open it, it will open by itself. Okay, and this is the cruise control. Reversing camera. This is inside. There is this is the basically the handbrake. Zoom out. This is the sunroof. Back seats. Sure. And these are two seats on the back. Steering wheel as well.